Hi, it's Matt from Octane Specialist Cars. I hope you're well. Just going to do a quick walk around video of the latest Volkswagen Transporter we've brought into stock. This van is what I call a unicorn. This is very, very, very hard to find. This is 2017, done 52,000 miles. One owner from new. We bought it from the original owner. 204 4Motion blackberry T6, done 52. In stunning blackberry. What a colour, what a van. The spec. I'll walk around the spec and then we'll do a detailed synopsis of the spec on our website later on today or even tomorrow. But the spec on this is just, I've never seen one. This is just so close to irrepeatable. I don't know what it is with the colour and the specification. So we've got electric sliding doors to both sides, Alcantara headlining, spotlights, USB, Alcantara side panels to the doors. We've got diamond stitched black, grey, red stitching leather seats, television with USB, and all the headphones and toys that come with that fitted to the rear. This van was done by Leighton Vans when it was new for the owner, and like I say, it's one owner. Carpeted bulkhead, absolutely beautiful. It really is some van, this. We're a soft dash vehicle, so we've got the later dash. We've got brushed aluminium style inserts. We're a DSG gearbox. We're heated seats, heated screen. Sliding doors, electric as I said. They are a thing of beauty. Captain's chairs to the front. Look like they've hardly ever been sat on. 52,000 miles, and I'll keep saying that because it looks like it's done about 20. It really is stunning. There's no wear on the gear head. We've got Discovery nav, as I say, heated seats, cruise control. Captain's chairs. It really is really nice, this. This is a keeper. It really is a keeper. And it's 4Motion as well, so you've got that extra four-wheel drive system, which is pretty cool. Got folding mirrors, heated mirrors, 3 keys with the buttons for the doors, and there go the doors off the button. There goes the passenger door, the passenger door and the driver's door. Look at the quality of the seats. They are beautiful, perforated. Really, really nicely done. No expense spared. Leather on the steering wheel, like new. Cruise control, heated seats, electric sliding doors, factory LEDs, 3 keys. Never seen one with a boot opening key on the side before. Extremely rare. All the stickers in all the right places. It's just absolutely lovely. And I'm only doing a quick walk around today until I get the full specification. Reverse camera, Discovery nav. Immaculate in the back. Look at the luggage hoops. They're absolutely beautiful. Carpeted over the arches, Alcantara spotlights. Switch them on, there we go. Even on the tailgate. It's absolutely been done to perfection. The bulkhead will come out if you wish. All the tools, all the books, all the papers. Full service history. One owner from new, guys. This is a one owner from new van. Even got white grease on the hinges. For me, that tells you a story about the kind of guy that's owned this. We met the owner. We only buy all our vans directly from our clients, and this van has just been fastidiously looked after. Massive specification, and it's a pleasure to buy these things. I wish we could keep them all, but we can't. So this is going up for sale in the next couple of days. Keep an eye on the website, and I'll have all the information posted on there. They'll have a thorough inspection prior to sale and delivery, but we've done about 200 miles in this now, and it is like new. It really is. It really is such a nice thing. So thanks for watching. 2017, look at those headlamps. 2017 4Motion 204 DSG blackberry heated seats, electric sliding doors, all the bells, all the whistles. This is a fabulous van, ready to go. Absolutely stunning, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you want to come and have a look, we're in North Manchester in Rochdale, indoor showrooms. come and take a look, give us a call. Thank you.